In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add countdown on your Instagram story. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then just swipe to the right to activate your camera, and then just take a picture. After that, you can add countdown timer to that Instagram story just by hitting at that stickers icon. Just tap on it and then search for countdown in that way, so you can easily find that countdown sticker. If you can't see this sticker right here, you should probably update your Instagram to the latest version. So open up App Store or Play Market and then be sure that you have the latest Instagram app version. So now let me add this sticker to my story. I can just tap on it. Then you should name that sticker. And then you can tap somewhere here to set the end date and time. I can set tomorrow date, and also by deactivating this all day feature, you can select specific time in that way, and it will automatically start counting down time to that particular date and time. After that, you can also hit at that icon to change the color of this sticker, and if you like one, you can just hit at done. After that, you can, by holding your finger at that sticker, move it around. You can place it wherever you want. You can also pinch it to scale, and also you can rotate it if you want. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.